lads and lasses and lasses. Just on my way to work, and thought I'd do a quick van chat on my way, but looking at it, it's gonna take 4 hours to get off my estate. So we'll pause a minute. So, to cut the long story short, you're all wondering what's been going on. Two people in the room in the live night decided to yet again try and wind me up, which is all's fair in love and war. I don't mind that whatsoever. You can wind me up as much as you want to wind me up. But for some reason, they had to involve my wife in their little joke. Okay? Not good. Not good. My wife hears about it, asks what all the palaver's about, so I put a little video up saying what happened on that particular night. My wife goes fucking AWOL. So it doesn't matter. I do try to look after my channel. I'm there every week, 8 o'clock. Nobody else is. I'm there every week, 8 o'clock. What I'm saying is, if you want to show pictures or punt your wares or try and sell your stuff, do it on your fucking channel, not on mine. That's what I'm trying to say here. Why the fuck should people want to put pictures on my channel? They got their own channel, they got their own fucking web fucking page, they got their own Facebook page, they got their own fucking Twitter, fucking whatever else you want to say. Put it on your page. Don't put it on my page. This is what started a fucking argument, and everybody knows. Right, I didn't come up. I wasn't brought up in some place. The people would take the piss out of people's wives. Sorry, not me. If you took the piss out of my wife, I would fucking lay you out without a doubt about it in my mind. Without a doubt about it. You do not insult somebody's wife. So this is what the argument is about. It's not me. I got nothing at all to do with this. I'll laugh as much as any other man will laugh. But insult somebody's wife, you're insulting their family. My sons asked about it. They said, oh, that wasn't very fucking nice, was it? That's not very fucking clever. And I said, oh, no. This joke, everybody's heard about it. Everybody in the world has heard about it by my fucking family. That you're allowed to say, oh yeah, I got new pictures of your wife. You're allowed to say that, are you? Not in my fucking planet, you're not, mate. Not in my planet, you're not. So, all I wanted, simple fucking plain, was an apology to my wife. Not to me. You can stick pins in me, in a little dolly fucking thing you probably got. You can stick pins in me, it would not worry me. My wife worries me because you upset her. Nothing else. Anything else said on that video has got nothing at all to do with it. What it boils down to is my wife. Nothing else. So if you think it's alright for us to tell jokes about your wives, fair enough. If you want to show nude pictures of your wives, fair enough. But don't do it on my fucking channel. Now I'm going to work. I will be filming, and if you don't come on this week's live, it's fine. Don't worry about it. I understand. I agree that nobody should take sides unless you've got a sensitive wife. never heard of this joke before. My sons has never heard of the joke. My fucking friends has never heard of this joke before, that you're allowed to say, yes, I got new pictures of your wife. So, it's all over and done with now. That's it. It's finished. If I get an apology, great. Because, you know, I had it on me. This is why I got to go back to work now. To get out of the fucking house. The more I think about it, the more annoyed I get, because it's not a done deal. It's just definitely not done. I've never heard of it before. Anybody I've talked to haven't heard of this joke. So apparently I can go around now all fucking day, and probably for the next 6 weeks, because I know a lot of people, I can go around and tell them this, hey, I got new pictures of your wife. No. I wouldn't say something like that personally. I would not say something like that. I have my joke and I have my piss. We all know. Piss taken on a Thursday night as part of the show. It was great. Everybody enjoyed it. Everybody expected it. But you overpushed it, man. You've overpushed it. You're involving people's families and people's wives, for Christ's sake. You can't do that. This is about us. The show was about us. So, means I'm going to have a couple more thumbs down by the look of it. So that'll take it up to 5 now. I'll get 5 thumbs down.